Alright, so we got our first package here from Amazon. This is something that I had ordered over the weekend, and so I'm going to open this up and see what we got in here. Let's see, maybe I can just peel it. Woo! How about that? I have got some RGB lighting that way I can use this to install around my desk surface here for some ambient lighting. So this is gonna be pretty cool here. This is full RGB with remote and all on it. This is a 10-meter pack, so it's going to give me just over 32 feet of lighting, and so that's going to work out great for me. It comes with a remote in the package, along with our power connector, and this is our controller here. So it's got an I/O sensor here, and then you can connect up to separate strands through this right here, but they tell you not to connect over 32 feet in this kit. So little set of instructions. Here's our actual power brick. We'll get that installed into the desk, and then we got 2 packs of them. So these are 5 meters a piece, so I'll be able to connect both of these together, and I'll actually have a little bit extra left over from this. My desk all the way around, going all the way around my desktop is let's see, it was 10, 12, 22, 26 feet all the way around, so I'm going to have a few feet left over, which is okay. But anyway, I'll have a link for this in the description below. I ordered this off Amazon, and ordered it Saturday, and it was delivered today. I had a 2-day prime on this, and then I've also got some other stuff coming in today that's coming UPS from Amazon. I got some stuff coming in today and coming in tomorrow as well. This came through regular mail today. So anyway, I'll be installing this here shortly, and we'll see what we think. Okay, so this is got everything installed. There's the remote there, but I've got a 1x2 that's installed all the way around my desktop. It goes all the way around, and I've just got a backdrop up here for a series that I do some recording on. But basically, this is they're full RGB, and I've got my PC. I built a little platform right there to keep it up off the floor, so it won't be sucking anything up out of the carpet. But I've got my unit in there. It's all blue right now, so I've got everything coordinated blue. But it's pretty neat. You can got the remote here. You got all kinds of options that you can go with. You can make them brighter, dimmer. You've got some hard key colors you can adjust inside of the range, or they've got some preset up stuff here, some fades, flashes, slow, quick. So if you do like it's blue right now, if I hit the fade one, then it'll start fading. It'll go in and out, go to different ones. Now that fade kind of goes in and out. Then they have this other one. This is another fade option. This is what typically we would all know as fade, where it just slowly rolls through the different colors. But anyway, this kit was very, very easy to install. I had read some of the reviews. People were complaining about the adhesive backing strip. Did not adhere very well. I've had no problems at all with it. They were talking about when it got hot, it would release, and I have these things pretty much running all the time, and they don't put any heat off, so I'm not real sure what people were talking about on that. But this is a fantastic product. Now, I did read on the box, when the box came in, it said that they had put in a different, there's my R2, how about that? They had put in it had a new backing strip on there now. So maybe at some point, some of the older materials used to, maybe they used to have a problem with releasing, but I just simply peeled, and this is all one string. I've got two of them hooked together, and it's easy to, cut and splice. And I don't know, I've probably got, 10 feet left over, something like that, in the spool. So, I'm planning on I'll get some connection kits and, use it somewhere else in here. I haven't quite figured out where I would want to use it yet, but anyway, it's a great kit for the price. Really, you can't beat it. Got it on Amazon, and it's, what more can I say? It's a good kit. So anyway, if you're looking for a lighting RGB kit, let me grab the box over here. Excuse my mess on my workbench, but let me grab this. So this is the one that I installed. This is I got it on Amazon. It's Wentop LED strip. I'll put a link down in the description below to Amazon, and you can just click on that link, go right and order it, and you can help support the channel here. I appreciate that. Any funds that I receive back on any kind of affiliate links, I invest that right back into the channel. So anyway, it's a great product. I've had no issues at all, and I've got this left on here, and I can easily hook this up and make it work. I might try to incorporate some maybe under the shelf or something, maybe, I don't know, but figure something out. So anyway, I just wanted to do this quick follow-up on that, and let you know how well this worked. And let me show you real quick up under here. All my cable management's up under here, but I've got the power brick. I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's right here, and I just simply set it on top of my power strip bar, and I zip tied it and got it plugged up. So I got all my cables up off the floor and managed really well. So it works pretty good. So anyway, give me any comments, or if you got any questions about this kit, I'll be glad to try to answer any questions you may have. But I would definitely recommend it. It was $25 or $26, and that's 10 meters, so it gets you just over 32 feet. Works great here. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I appreciate that, and leave me any comments or feedbacks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.